In this video, you'll learn how to set up notifications for new eBay items. By following these steps, you will be able to receive alerts for listings that match your interests, ensuring you never miss a great deal. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page, enter relevant keywords for the item you are interested in purchasing. After you press enter, the search results will populate based on your query. Take a moment to review the listings carefully to identify the items that appeal to you. Next, if you want to receive updates for new listings that match your search criteria, look for the option labeled Save this search near the top of the search results page. Click on this option to save your search parameters. After saving, you will need to enable either email or app notifications to receive alerts about new listings. This ensures that eBay will notify you whenever new items matching your search keywords become available. After you've saved your search and enabled notifications, it is important to manage your notification preferences. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. From there, find the section labeled Notifications. Here, you can adjust how you want to receive alerts, whether through email, mobile notifications, or both. It's also advisable to periodically review your saved searches. This allows you to update any keywords if your interests change. If you find that you no longer want notifications for certain searches, you can remove them to keep your notifications organized. This practice helps streamline your alerts and enhances your shopping efficiency. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.